Hi friends, so this is just a quick update on the Ceranova microneedling system after using it for several months now. I just almost finished my second batch of this. My first video on this was sponsored because I truly believe in and use this product. This one is not a sponsored video. It is merely an update. As you can see, my results. I did my eyebrows this morning and my lips, but I don't have any makeup on my skin. And as you can see, doing this once every 2 months with the 24 karat gold microneedle stamp and the serum with hyaluronic acid and just some peptides in here and just some wonderful ingredients for your skin. After many months of using this every 2 weeks, I think my skin is brighter, firmer, less lined, it's smoother, it just looks better. I really love this product. You can go to the Ceranova website. They have lots of products other than this. Try it out, guys, if you're looking to look younger.